Hey guys, Rick from Lifted Off-Road here. I've been promising some people a video, and I'm finally getting around to doing it. Just showing off this vast ocean of normal, regular people's cars. And I finally got my truck back. Had it back for a couple weeks now, but I've been busy, so I haven't made any videos. This is the first video in my Suburban RV series, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it because I've got it camouflaged so well. It's my super stealth bug out / recreational vehicle. I don't know, it's pretty invisible right now, but wait, what's this? I'll check that out. What's that, an exo cage? I don't know, I can just barely see it. It looks like an empty parking space. It blends in so well with the environment. Hey, I'm just kidding, of course. This is my Suburban. It's a 95 GMC Suburban, 4-wheel drive, 2500. This is my truck. Got the exo cage. I don't know how well you can see it. Got the bed liner on the outside. Keep it from rusting, and I don't have to worry about scratches so much. Got a light bar. I still gotta get the lights someday. Someday I'll get lights for that, but I had them put that on for future purposes. Actually, this isn't too much of a bug out vehicle. I mean, I suppose it could be. I mean, definitely plan on using it for camping and off-roading. And of course, if need be, then I'll grab all of my gear and throw it in here and use this. This is my truck. Got a lot of projects in the works for it. Should be sharing that pretty soon. Try to make some videos of my little projects that I got going on. And I know in reality it does stick out. But that's what being lifted is all about. It's lifted off-road. It doesn't look normal. It stands above the regular common vehicles. I am an off-roader. I enjoy off-road driving more so than being a prepper. I don't really consider myself a prepper, but being prepared is always on the top of the list, because you never know. When you're out in the woods or out in the wilderness, you might have to end up taking care of yourself. I still got to get a winch for it. So I do like being prepared. I enjoy the prepping videos. I like watching Man of Many Things. His survival Jeep is pretty cool. So this is it. Just a short video, an introduction video to my Suburban RV, Suburban recreational vehicle. Actually, I'm thinking about calling it my black hole. It's the black hole. It's like my dad used to tell me about boats. Boats are nothing but a hole in the water that you're constantly dumping money into. That's pretty much what this truck is. It's a big hole in space and time that I'm constantly throwing money into. If I ever sell it, I doubt I will ever get close to what I spent on it. Here's a pan of bolts on my current project I'm working on today. I'm I'm working on putting these little fender flares back on, but I'll get to that later. Anyway, this is it. It's my Suburban RV, aka the Black Hole. I really enjoy this. It's pretty cool. Well, I hope you like it. Again, this video kind of goes out to Man of Many Things and Bug Out Vehicles. I think that his name is Gary. I don't know what Man of Many Things' name is, but I chatted with him a few times and I've promised him a video of my truck. So to him and everybody else that's interested in watching, I've got a bunch of projects in line, like I said, coming down the line. I'll try to make videos on most of those, if not all of them. So, I will be in touch. Thanks for watching. Please like or thumbs up and subscribe and all those other happy YouTube things that people do. Hopefully I can get a bunch of my Facebook followers to subscribe to this channel. That would be pretty cool. You just gotta start making videos. So that's my truck. Hope you enjoyed. Later.